very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is precision, when intelligence turns ordinary into extraordinary. Ladies and gentlemen, creation does not unfold in noise. It unfolds in precision. Across the vastness of space and the intimacy of life, existence reveals a silent intelligence at work, shaping energy, guiding motion, and transforming potential into form. What appears ordinary on the surface is often extraordinary at its core, governed by intelligence expressing itself through precision. Modern science confirms that creation is not accidental. From the fine-tuning of cosmic constants to the exact balance enabling stars, planets, and life, the universe reflects orchestration rather than randomness. The event called the Big Bang was not merely an explosion of matter. It was the unfolding of order, energy structured with astonishing accuracy, where even a minor deviation would have dissolved existence itself. Precision is intelligence in motion. Intelligence converts intent into manifestation. In nature, this is visible everywhere. Seasons arrive on time, cells divide flawlessly, ecosystems self-regulate, and life sustains itself through exact coordination. The higher the intelligence, the greater the precision, a truth demonstrated by the elegance of galaxies and the reliability of natural laws. This principle does not end with cosmic creation. It continues into human life. When preparation is complete, purpose becomes clear. When intention aligns with awareness, intelligence naturally leads action. Precision is not forceful control. It is clarity-driven execution. An action guided by intelligence carries balance, efficiency, and power. And when shaped by precision, it becomes extraordinary in impact. Human existence follows the same architecture. Within each life operate 5 energy dynamos: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. When these function in isolation, effort scatters. When they synchronize, coherence emerges as energy, awareness, and expanded consciousness. In such coherence, purpose aligns naturally. Faith and trust do not blind action, they stabilize direction. Communion with the larger intelligence, the same intelligence that governs cosmic order, refines human action. Precision arises not from strain but from clarity. Even ordinary routines, when performed with conscious intelligence, become sources of transformation. An ordinary step taken precisely alters direction. An ordinary word spoken precisely reshapes relationships. An ordinary act offered with clarity and purpose becomes contribution, receiving energy, generating value, and returning it to the larger system of life. What's the way forward? Precision is cultivated, not imposed. Preparation sharpens intelligence. Awareness refines intention. Alignment removes noise. When intelligence guides action and precision shapes execution, effort multiplies without exhaustion. This path does not demand extraordinary circumstances. It transforms ordinary moments into meaningful impact. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the universe demonstrates a timeless truth that intelligence expressed through precision sustains creation. Human life is no exception. When intent is clear, preparation complete, and action aligned with higher purpose, the ordinary transcends itself. As Lord Krishna resounds in the revered Bhagavad Gita, established in clarity and balance, perform action without attachment. Such action, guided by wisdom, leads to harmony and fulfillment. In that wisdom, precision is born, and in it lies the quiet power where intelligence turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.